Hey, what's up? It's Salim here, and in today's video, I want to talk to you about how to reach operational excellence with your agency and why it's important. And I'm going to talk about how to assemble and build your own weaponized team of elite media buyers. How do you actually do that? How can you run an agency that's so, well orchestrated that the service delivery doesn't depend on your personal fulfillment, and you're still delivering the best results in your industry without having to rely on some white level agency or some B-level contractor that 14 other agencies are using, because that's not where you want to be. And the reason I'm drinking this is because it's freaking hot here in Sweden right now. But I'm going to talk about, like I said, the importance of operational excellence and how to reach that, how to reach the 1%, and how to scale to multiple seven figures with that. So here's the truth. If you're an agency and you're doing everything yourself in your business and you're micromanaging, like let's say you even have media buyers, you're micromanaging them, they're not able to produce any good work, and you always need to stay on top of them. I mean, that's not how you properly scale, right? That's not talent. Or if you're an agency that you're still in one-man band and you're almost like a glorified contractor to your business, I mean, that's not also where you want to be. You want to be streamlined. You want to have, again, operational excellence and orchestrate a machine that, is working without you having to work. Now, the goal is not for you to not work, but the goal is for you to work on your business, not in your business and managing the clients all the time. And if you set this up correctly, you will be able to retain clients longer. You will be able to differentiate yourself from all the other agencies in your niche, and you will be able to basically work at twice the efficiency as other agencies, right? Your media buyers and your team will be able to work faster, work with more clients, and so it's really, really crucial. And the best way to know if you've reached this kind of excellence is just ask yourself, if you could take 7 days off, would your business die or would you still make money? That's the best way of knowing. Would your clients still be happy? Would somebody deliver results for your clients and communicate with them? And would you keep making money if you took 7 days off? If the answer is no, then it's time to start thinking about how you can orchestrate this thing. So the first thing I want to say is don't go out and hire a contractor or freelance or white label that's working with 16 other agencies in your niche, and you have zero quality control. You have zero control over the service delivery. That's not how you reach operational excellence. You want to have your own weaponized media buyer working in-house for you, right? As a contractor, but working for you only. And the way you find those is not by hiring somebody that's already out there working with tons of other people as experts, right? Because here's also the second thing. If people are as good as they say, and if all these contractors and white label gurus in these Facebook groups are as good as they say, they'd most likely be running their own agency. What you want to look for is people that have raw talent, people that have data-driven, personality traits, and they're analytical and they're not charismatic. Don't look for Gary Vee type people. If you see charismatic people, they're most likely not good media buyers. Or they're just trying to run your own business and they're gonna F you over, right? They just want to use you for some, just to learn from you, spend ad budget to learn. That's basically it. So don't do the same thing as everybody else. When everybody zigs, you want to zag. The people that are already experts doesn't exist. And if they would exist, they'd run their own business. So all these white label gurus or contractors that have all these screenshots, that's not who you want to look for. It's not the right pawn. So you want to look for people that have the right personality traits, because skills you can teach them. But personality traits is very, very hard to change. So that's something you want to get right from the beginning, and that's a hard thing. Then for your qualification process of, when you're going to hire them, the screenshots, they don't matter, right? They really don't matter. If they have screenshots, that's awesome, but they don't matter. The way we want to vet them before we hire them is to give them something to do. The best way of doing this is be on Zoom with them, ask them to screen share, give them 3 problems, one being easy, one being medium easy, the third one being very hard. First of all, the hard one could be So Mr. Media Buyer, we have $50 a day, and we have 2 proven ads, and we want to scale horizontally to new audiences, and we want to try 4 new audiences. How would you structure this? Just tell them to create the campaign in front of you. You will be surprised how many people will show you screenshots of making $100,000 a month with Facebook ads for their past clients, but they can't even assemble a a split test of having a proven ad, scaling horizontally, taking it to new audiences, and the campaign structure with the budget, because their thought process is all messed up. You'd be surprised. So we don't care about screenshots. You give them a problem and they solve it in front of you. That's how you qualify them and vet them. And then when it comes to, as I said, you will never be able to find a fully trained expert media buyer. You will have to train them yourself. And that's the tricky part. That's the tricky part where it takes time. It's hard to train media buyers in the sense of it takes time, and you need to be coaching them every day. And basically you need to create standard operating procedures. You need to be mentoring them and coaching them every day, and making sure you put in the work. And that's the reality. You're never going to be able to just find somebody that's an expert, put them in the right position, and they're going to be able to do work with you, or help you reach operational excellence in that sense. That's not going to happen. You're going to need to coach them, and it's going to be time consuming. And if you nail this, let me tell you, your agency will get paid top dollar for your services. You will deliver better results than everybody else. You will be able to work more efficiently. You will be able to work with more clients because you have speed, you have systems, you have excellence in your operations, and you will be able to basically be the best agency in your niche. Nobody else, no other agency knows how to find, train, qualify, and assemble their own team of elite media buyers, because what all of them do is they're on these Facebook groups and they hire some white labeler or some contractor that works with 14 other agencies, and they're basically shitty at their work, right? And they don't coach them, they just put them in front of the client, and then they just deliver mediocre results. That's not operational excellence. Now, I understand that this can be hard to do if it's your first time, or if you've tried and it hasn't been working. And if that's the case, I want to present you with a little opportunity here. First of all, I hope that helped in some certain way and gave you some clarity with the qualification process and what you should be looking for in vetting. But back to this little opportunity here. Me and my team have in the past months developed a 9-week online program, which is like nothing out there. It's a 9-week program where we will find, qualify, and train elite level media buyers for your specific niche. We'll take that from your hands. We'll coach them on a daily basis, and we'll help them with all the daily problems with your clients' ads and disablings and scaling, taking that off of your plate, and then give them back to you as elite level media buyers so that you can reach operational excellence, right? Everything from how they should be communicating to clients, their back-end systems, how you guys should be communicating, making them the best Facebook advertisers in their, in the industry you're operating in. We will basically do the whole thing for you, finding, qualifying, and most importantly, training them. I mean, we will help you reach operational excellence in less than 9 weeks, because we have a team, we've done this several times, and we can do this very, very fast. If you want to do this on your own, that's totally fine, that works. But if you want to go the fast way, and if you want to reach operational excellence in the fastest possible way, let me and my team help you. So like I said, we're gonna take the whole thing off of your hands, and we're gonna find, qualify, and train and assemble the best media buying team in the world for you, specifically in your niche. The better you get on this, the sooner you get on this, the better, before your competition does. That's the reality, because this shit is fire. So with that said, if you want to know more about how this works, if you look below this video, there will be a link to a free assessment call. It's completely free, where we will talk to you, either me or somebody in my team, and see if we can help you build the best media buying team in your industry and help you reach operational excellence so that you can scale to multiple 6 and 7 and multiple 7 figures. It's a link below. You can schedule a free call, and we will basically strategize with you and see if we can help you. And if we can, in less than 9 weeks, we will take a normal person and turn them into one of the sharpest media buyers in your industry, and help your whole orchestra hum, and just help you reach operational excellence and be that 1% agency in the world that gets to work with the best clients in the world, that gets paid top dollar for their expertise, and that runs without depending on your personal fulfillment. That's the most important thing. Client retention will be longer. So if you're interested in that, just click the link below and schedule a call. Now, with that said, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some clarity. And to sum it up, be very careful of charismatic people. Don't look for finished expert media buyers because they don't exist. Don't look for the Gary V entrepreneur type. Just look at their bio and you'll see if they show entrepreneur traits. And also the qualification process. Don't care about screenshots. Vet them on the spot with hard tasks. And then you got to train and mentor them every day. And like I said, if you want us to do that for you, click the link below. We'll call you up. We'll talk about it. If it's good, we'll make a deal. If it's not, we won't. It will be nice anyway. So if you like the video, click that like button and subscribe button and leave a nice comment. And I will talk to you soon. I release videos like this once a week. Bye-bye.